So that bulldozer was right here. It's right here. Had to dig out underneath it. There's an old tranny. What had happened was my pops got it stuck in the creek, and he used that to get it out. And he got it out, but the transmission got so it fucking sheared the gear off, and like the torque converter type shit. That motherfucker right there. I'm not a mechanic, but then that got stuck, and that's a lot harder to get out of the mud. So if anybody got like some extra, you know, want to help type shit, it's really like quicksand. It's just kind of sinking, it's continuing to sink. The bucket's the only thing holding the front up. Yeah, that's why my ass was dirty, laying in this shit right here. Type shit. Now we go back.